How to solve camera full screen problem on your Snapchat. Hello guys, welcome back to this new short tutorial. So I'm gonna show you how to fix it easily and fast. First thing, open the settings and then go to the apps like this, and then go to Snapchat, click on force stop, and then go to the notifications management. Disable all the notifications and enable them back again, and then go to the storage, click on clear data. After that, open the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone, search for Snapchat and click on update from here. Very easy and simple. Don't forget to like and subscribe.